What's up, cartoon universe? We got another one. I had to do another one. Luke Skywalker. Again, had to do another one. So hope you guys enjoy this one. This one's a little different, step-by-step process on how to draw him. So hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the video, and I'll leave the link in the description for the guy who edited this intro for my video here. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump off here. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys in the next video. In this tutorial, we will be drawing Luke Skywalker from Star Wars with oil paint step by step. First step, draw with simple lines and circles. Outline the general shape of the character. Now we outline the contour of the torso, face, and cape. Let's add some more details to the torso. Next, let's draw the arms and legs. Next, we draw in detail. Outline the torso of the clothes and accessories at this stage. Next, let's erase the remaining lines and draw the detail that matches the picture and his feet. Alright, next thing we want to do is draw the details of his face and then draw the life symbol. Next, we paint over the character's costume with black strokes. Let's also paint the gloves, the legs, and also apply beige to the face, and also the detail below his feet. Then we add volume to the face. Now let's paint the green lightsaber. Let's see all the green detail on the suit. Alright, let's wrap things up with some black and white strokes. And there we have it, Luke Skywalker, drawn complete. Alright, and that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so you'll be notified for any new content. Peace, I'm out. See you all in the next video.